Yo, what's up, guys? Dennis here from the Fundamental Monetaries. I'm back again with another video for you guys. So, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post this kind of videos. Okay, these are educational videos, right? So, guys, on today's video, we'll be continuing the course. So, this one will be part 2 of the full course. Okay. So this is just another part of that course. So we're gonna start by going to the slide that I spoke about in the previous video. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video, okay, please go and watch it because you won't really understand what I'm going to say on this video. So go and watch the previous video. It's just write down. I mean, on the it's just below this one, guys. Just go and click this one. I mean, below the video below this one, and then you will be fine. You'll see that it's in the form of slides also, and starts somewhere similar like this. Okay, so I'll also put a card somewhere. I'll put a link here where you can just click and go and watch it. Okay, right. So without wasting your time, guys, let's get to the slide. So, okay, this is a slide that was summing up the previous video, okay? So, on the previous video, we were basically talking about investing.com. So, on investing.com, there was indices that you had to search, which was Nasdaq, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook Inc. Okay? So, they made the key in this day was Nasdaq, since we are trading Nasdaq 1530. Okay, so this one is a continuation. So I just want to start here and then people understand. So if all 5 are green, we take a buy. So this is me explaining that if all 5 indices on the previous video, when you go and check them on the investing.com, are green, then we take a buy. Okay, and then if Nasdaq is green and the rest are red, we don't trade, which means if you go to investing.com and then you find, okay, Nasdaq is green, the arrow is green, and then the rest are red, then we don't trade. Okay, just like that, guys. So Nasdaq is the key in this here. So I hope you will understand going forward. But that's why I say I recommend you go and look at the other video, the previous video, because that's where I explain in full. Okay, and then some people are understanding it, and then they're liking the video. I think I had like how many likes? 22. Yeah, 22 the last time I checked. So people are liking it, even though a lot of people watched it, yeah, but they didn't like it. I don't know whether they didn't like or not. There's only one guy who disliked, which means maybe he didn't understand or maybe whatever. So, okay, let me continue again. If 3 are green, including Nasdaq, we buy. That means if three indices are green, and then Nasdaq is part of the 3 indices, we take a buy, because green is for buy and red is for sell. Okay, like I said, I'm explaining what I didn't explain fully on the other video, the video below. So go and watch it before watching this one. So as you can see, if all 5 are red, we take a sell. So if all 5 are red, since red is for sell, we take a sell. Simple like that. So okay, I'm just gonna go and read the rest. So if 3 are red, including Nasdaq, we sell. If Nasdaq is red and the rest are green, we don't trade. If 3 are green excluding Nasdaq, we do not trade. If 3 are red excluding Nasdaq, we do not trade. Okay, that is basically me summing up what I was saying on the previous video. Right, so let's get straight to today's video. Right, okay, so as you can see here, this is US 100 cash. So US 100 cash, what is US 100 cash? This one is Nasdaq on 1530. I mean on sorry. This one is Nasdaq on the broker called XM. I'll put the link in the description. Where will I get that link? Okay, I'll just check on the previous videos. I'll put the link in the description, and then yeah, you guys will go and get it. Okay, I mean you'll go and register if you want to register with them, whatever. Okay, this is Nasdaq. Okay, as you can see, if you can check on your other platforms, you'll see that it was going up. It's the very same Nasdaq. Go and check it out. All right, so what I'm about to talk about is as you can see, Nasdaq was going up. Let me get a pen. Nasdaq was going up from here up to here, and then on the lower time frame, since I was watching, it was consolidating, then it came down. So people tend to think that okay, when it's going back up, they tend to think that okay, it will just go and shoot like that. Then it will shoot like. No, it's not really what usually happens. Most of the time, just Nasdaq will just come and retest this level. As you can see, these levels are similar. This is the same level. So retest and then go down. Okay. As you can see, it was going down. As you can see, this candlestick is thin. It's hungry. I mean, it's thin. Like, yeah, it's not eating. I'm just shaking. But then as you can see, it was going down, and then now, as you can see, this one, since it's in this level, it seems like it was going back up. Okay. Yeah, like that. What I was trying to say is that do not always assume that okay, since Nasdaq here it stopped here and then it went down, doesn't mean that it will shoot up. Okay, it's likely going to retest this level most of the time. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, because what we're going to do right now, yeah, what I'm going to tell you right now is very important for the Nasdaq 1530 trading strategy. Let me click on this one. So guys, if you watch the previous video, okay, and then let's say investing.com tells you that okay, today we are buying. I mean, let's say maybe it says okay, today we are selling. Okay, let me just say it maybe in a different way. Let's say you go to let's say you watch the previous video, and then on the previous video, Nasdaq is red. All the 5 indices are red. I mean, you watch that previous video, and then you went to investing.com to check the indices, and then all 5 indices, you find that okay, these indices are all red. You find that oh, red means that we sell, and then you come to the chart and then find a structure like this where the charts were going up, or maybe Wednesday was going up, and then it comes and consolidate. You don't have to say no more, you just go ahead and sell. If you see a structure like this one also means that you sell, guys. So it is supporting what the other strategy is saying. Okay, so this one means a sell. It's supporting what you found on investing.com. So you go ahead and sell. Okay, so if you see a shape like this, guys, it means you sell. So just go ahead and combine it. With the investing.com strategy. Okay, this structure means sell. Okay, so if the investing.com says that sell, and then you find the structure also, then you go ahead and sell. Simple like that. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. As you can see, it was consolidating here, and then it went down. As you can see, it went down. and then that's where you're collecting your money, getting dollars. Yeah, and then you are making nice money. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I said, guys. But then what I was trying to say, that the previous structure, it was saying that, okay, just when you see that structure, just know that it is signaling a sale. So if the previous video is telling you that you sell, and then you find the structure like that, you go and sell. Okay, let me try to say it one more time. If you go to the previous video, you'll see that the video is talking about investing.com. So you go through that investing.com, and if you see that, okay, investing.com today is saying that, okay, we sell, and then you also find the previous structure, then you sell. You know what I'm saying? I hope you do, because I'm giving you some important information right here. Okay, let me just speak about it again. So let me just erase here. Get erased. Okay, let me erase. Yeah, I'm done erasing. So I'm gonna say it again. Okay, ignore the rest of these things. Ignore this part right now for now. Ignore this part that I just put in the box. So let's say you go to investing.com, and then you find out, okay, investing.com is saying that you must sell, just like I was saying on the conclusion, on the slides, the previous slides, and then also on the previous video. If investing.com is saying that, okay, today you sell, you must go and come to the charts. And then if you find the shape like this one, like this, where Nasdaq is going up, and then it consolidates here, then please on this one, do not hesitate. Okay, I'm trying to speak slowly. I'm not really a talkative guy, so my voice, I'm tired of speaking right now. Just because it's English. If it was my home language, I'll be like speaking and speaking and speaking. Okay, so if you find a shape like this, then that's also another supporting factor that you should look at. Then you sell. Okay, a structure like this means that you sell, guys. Means that you sell. It is supporting. If it's also supporting what Nasdaq is saying, then you have something very strong and very powerful. Right there, you just sell. Okay, so like I said, guys, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. It might not go according to the way that we predicted, but it is good that you trade with a strategy. Do not just trade. Okay, you don't just wake up and then just go outside and go anywhere. I'm sure, like, you have a way of working, whatever. You have a way. You don't just like go to your friend with I'm on over a fence or anything like that. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So what I'm saying is, this is a strategy. Okay, I'm sharing it with you as a brother. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Just take me as your brother. I'm sharing it to my family, for my family to use it. And the forex market is dangerous. Okay, it is very, very dangerous. So you must be ready for the danger also. But it is okay to trade with a strategy. You must trade with a strategy. You know why? You know why, guys? You will know tomorrow, like the percentage of the strategy, how the strategy, your winning rate, the ratio of your winnings and losses, guys. You will know the ratio, other than just trading and doing things that you don't even know, like you just win by luck. Okay, use a strategy and then know your winning ratio. Use proper risk management. Okay, I hope you understood what I was trying to say, even though maybe it was like not really understandable. But then let's go to the next slide, which is my last slide. So On this slide, this one here we'll be talking about this like an example of a buy. So let's say you went to the investing.com app and then you checked everything, and then the strategy told you, okay, today you must buy, and then you find a shape like this where Nasdaq is going down and then consolidating here. Do not hesitate. I repeat, do not hesitate. Now they are supporting each other. We buy, guys. So this one supports a sell. This one. Nasdaq was going down, as you can see, and then it was consolidating here. On this one, we buy. We do not hesitate. We do not play. We just do whatever the strategy says. Okay, let me just repeat it one more time. Let's say you watched the previous video and then you understood the strategy. The strategy is about investing.com, how to predict market direction with investing.com. So you go to the strategy, to investing.com, you check what the strategy says, and if the strategy tells you that, okay, today we are buying, and then when you come to the charts, you also find something like this, where Nasdaq was going down and then now it's starting to consolidate, or this kind of shapes when we are approaching 1530, since this is the strategy that we're going to use on 1530. You find something like this. This one signals, or this one also signals a buy, guys. So you find them together, you have a powerful thing to rely on, guys. You have something powerful to rely on. Do not hesitate, guys. Just hit a buy. Hit a buy. And remember, use proper risk management. Okay, so on this one we're gonna say, we're gonna write a buy. This one signals a buy, guys. Oh, this buy is gonna make people lose. Okay, this one will represent a buy. Okay, this one represent what? A buy, guys. Sorry about my voice, I'm a bit tired, guys. I'm from speaking. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the content that I post here, do not hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. Okay, give it a like so that I can see how many people are liking my stuff. And then yeah, guys, so if you hit likes, I'll understand that, okay, I'm posting great content, and then I'll keep on posting great content. Okay, and then guys, one more thing, there's something that I want you to do for me. I seen that, okay, people watching my channel are not from South Africa only, some United States and some from far places, Namibia, Botswana, Nigeria. So please guys, just comment down below and tell me which country you're coming from or you're watching from. Okay, and then also if you have any questions, just post them down there. Okay, just post them down there. And then guys, I just want to say, I have this other thing. I've been telling people to trade volatility index 75. Yeah, there are some who are trading and then we are making profit, and I don't know, like some of you haven't started trading. I'll put the link in the description for volatility index, where you can come and register your account for volatility index, because I know that one a lot of people can't find the link on the internet, or I can't find the broker on the internet. For volatility index, I'll put the link also there for people to go and register their accounts, and then they come and join me. So I'll put the link to Telegram, where I post most of my stuff about volatility index, where I'm making like a decent amount. I could say that volatility index pays more than Nasdaq. Okay, according to me. it pays more than Nasdaq, so you can just come there and then yeah, we make money together. But then like that one I told you that it's not free, guys. It's not free. Yeah, you inbox me, I'll leave my number also. But then this one is free. That's why I don't give signals for this one, because I want everybody to do it themselves. I was like, yo, right now I have a lot on my plate. So guys, yeah, so I hope you understood this video. I hope everything is great. I hope everything is okay. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and yeah guys, see you on the next video. Peace.